Welcome to Tally Help videos. B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report in Tally Prime makes Zatka compliance simple. You get instant QR codes and a smooth exchange of e-invoices with the portal. In this video, you will learn how to view the e-invoice overview report to know the status of your invoices and take necessary actions accordingly. Let's see how to view the e-invoice overview report. Based on the invoice type you have selected in the CSR form, the e-invoice overview report displays B2B transactions, B2C transactions, or both. In Tally Prime, press Alt-G and type or select e-invoice overview. If there are transactions pending for exchange with the e-invoice system in the last 2 days, you will be prompted to check the exchange status of the transactions. Press Enter or Y to update the status of such transactions and open the report. Pressing N will open the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report without updating the status of the transactions. The report displays both B2B and B2C transactions and groups them based on their status with Zatka. In the report, you can view the updated transaction status of your e-invoices across the following sections: QR code generation yet to start, get status. QR code generation in progress, get status. E-invoice reporting yet to start, initiate. E-invoice reporting in progress, get response. Reattempt in progress, get response. In the report, you can also press F6 to view all the sections or only sections with exceptions where you have to take necessary action for your invoices. These sections are highlighted in amber color for easy identification. From the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report, you can drill down to the B2B or B2C sections to view the status for your e-invoices. Now, let's explore the various flexibilities provided in the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report. In the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report, you can switch to B2C e-invoices overview report and B2B e-invoices overview report. Press Ctrl B, basis of values, select Show Report For, and press Enter. In the report details screen, select either B2C e-invoices overview or B2B e-invoices overview from the list of reports. Press Ctrl L to save your preferred view, and Tally Prime will open the same view the next time you access the report. Now, let's see how to exchange your transactions with the portal based on their status in the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report. In the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report, the Ready for QR code generation or e-invoice clearance section lists the transactions that are not exchanged with the portal while saving them. You can exchange such vouchers by drilling down from the overview report and resaving the voucher or sending to the portal from the exchange menu. Let's see how to exchange the invoices with the portal from the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report. Drill down from the voucher count column for B2B or B2C, select the transaction that you need to update and press Enter. In the voucher alteration screen, press Ctrl A, save the transaction. The transaction will be exchanged with portal. Alternatively, you may exchange the transactions with the e-invoice system from the Send for e-invoicing report using the Exchange menu. Press Alt-Z, Exchange. Send for e-invoicing. Select one or more transactions under Ready for e-invoice generation section using spacebar and press S, Send to exchange them with the portal. Now, let's explore what other actions you can take from the e-invoice overview report based on the status of your transactions. In the B2C and B2B e-invoices overview report, you can update the status of one or more invoices in the report or at the voucher level using options like Get Status, Get Response, Initiate, or Reinitiate. For example, you can use Get Status option to fetch the present e-invoice status. Get Response option can be used to trigger and restart the e-invoice reporting. Similarly, you can use the Initiate and Reinitiate options to initiate and reinitiate e-invoice reporting, respectively. As you saw, you can use the B2C and B2B e-invoice overview report to get a real-time view of the reporting and clearance status of your invoices. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.